Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Indus Trader YouTube channel. In this video, we're gonna do forecast and predict Nifty and Bank Nifty for the next week. So without wasting any time, let's get started. And before starting the video, usually we make our weekly analysis a little bit early. But coming to 2 days, we have two events. Like today, we have election results, and yesterday we have some Fed outcome which we have discussed in the previous weekly analysis. So that's the reason the video got little late, but it's gonna to be the worth. Okay, and after, like, even now the election results are pending, but still you see the trends are confirmed. So after taking that reference from the trends, I'm making this video. So coming to the previous video, if you see, we have clearly discussed about this more, and if you have not yet watched, I highly recommend you to go and watch this video as well, because it's, see, if I show you this video, we got only 20 views in this, which is very low views. But I don't know what exactly happened, people did not watch that. But if you have not yet, but just increase your speed and you can go through that video. So if we talk about the last week which we have discussed, you can clearly see here. See, last week we discussed this, especially this is our supply range and this is our demand range, and we have said that in between we should stay cautious. Yes, here we are wrong, as I expected some sideways and volatile market, but we have seen some beautiful trendy market here. So we went wrong here. Okay, so a little bit, but still I did not say to take any direction here, but might be long direction might have rewarded as much, but according to my levels, that what my expectation last week. But especially Nifty disappointed us. But coming to Bank Nifty, like whatever we discussed, we clearly said I am expecting breakout of this level, either directly from here or from this. But I am expecting a breakout, I clearly said that, and thereafter you can see the beautiful rally in the Bank Nifty. Hopefully this worked out, and one, we said we will be cautious and I will keep my position sizing very light in these areas, as I done also. And coming to this week, so let's discuss about this week. So first let's discuss the technical levels, and one who are not interested to see the economic calendar or other things, they can directly skip. So that's the reason I am keeping this part in the starting of the video. So if you see weekly analysis, we are talking about weekly analysis, these are the very important ranges: 19,668 and 19,876. And the most important part I want to say here is, usually many of the traders have the view market was rallied a lot, and they might think, how much will this market go now, it should come down. So my friends, on this sort of, whether the market is rising or market is falling, the important thing you need to understand is you have to wait for certain levels to break, or else, see, it's toughest thing. And I can even use this word, it is impossible to time the market. Okay, irrespective of the analysis, whether it's advanced analysis or whether it's like traditional approach, or whether it's market profile, whether it's volume profile, whether candlesticks, indicators, whatever you do, fundamental analysis, or like you are decoding events and everything, but still all this above, market is above of all this, and market is supreme. And timing the market is the toughest task, even to the pro and professional traders as well. So my dear friends, until and unless any important level breaks out, until and unless, so make sure you don't forecast, or like don't assuming and reacting to the data are two different aspects. So it's not like there is a limit for the market. It's like if it is rising from here to here, it doesn't mean that it cannot continue from here on. So that's very important. So I am sharing my view, and it's not like we directly short the market at this levels, and I am not even expecting that. If you watch the entire video, you will come to know, and if my analysis is helping you out, or it's in line with your approach or in line with your analysis also, then you can take this as reference. So if you see, from here on, I am expecting these ranges. These levels are key levels. Until and unless these levels are holding, Nifty is holding these levels, I am not going to short the Nifty, irrespective of even I am taking 1 or 2 days stop losses. That's completely fine. Okay, so many people, this is the reason, like yes, the length will increase, but it's very important me to share here because this is the right time. So what happens, let's say this is an important level. Okay, so usually after breaking this level, okay, people assume that from here on the market will come down, but they will take that up, come down, they will take this up, come down, that will take this up. And after, when all members, or especially our retail category, once assume like, no, nowhere from here on the market will increase, they will make sure, after retailers thinking this, the market comes down. It's like you go and backtest this, no need to worry. But either fundamentally, either uh, technically, I am not seeing any sort of weakness here, and I am still expecting market to be bullish, or little bit of consolidation thereafter bullish. This is what my expectation. And Nifty especially, nowhere I am going to short until and unless 19,667. So what if market comes like this? No issue. If market comes like this, if I get any sell setup, I will give my position sizing very light. I take small targets, and this will be my trade plan. And if I get signals for the long, I will go with my usual quantity and my usual targets. But if market comes to this range, if it is approaching Nifty to this range, from here on I will give the importance to the longs, and I will be looking for the 20,602 level. And this is my Nifty analysis. And if I go to bank Nifty, so let's go to bank Nifty. So bank Nifty, little bit of different approach here, and even the same approach which I am saying. So before that, let me also show you one more important thing in the Nifty. Let's go back to Nifty. So if you go to Nifty in weekly time frame, if you see this, we got a very good close about the weekly. Okay, so this is one thing which I need to discuss. And Nifty, I already explained you the targets as well. Now coming to bank Nifty. So bank Nifty, if you see, this is the level which I am looking for, very important. So for the up move from here, 44,254 need to hold, or else if it is retracing in between these areas, 43,731 and 44,253, in between, especially if we want bank Nifty to reach here quickly, then it should just retest, or else without retesting it should go to 45,906. That's what my expectation. Or else there is also one more possibility, we may see a profit booking till 43,731. From there it should go back. So these two levels which I am expecting, we should get some demand at these zones, either from this zone or from coming back and from this zone. And another thing, if let's say the other case, as I already said you, whatever the plan we do, market is supreme, and always certainly you expect uncertain in the market. So if this level breaches out, then what is my trade plan? Then I will sit ideally in between these ranges. Okay, either I watch or I wait for better better setups, and I go with minimum quantity in between these ranges. So that's what my trade plan. And again, as you know, this is also a good demand zone, so this my trade plan. So coming to targets, I will be waiting for 45,906. And let's discuss about the Nifty and Bank Nifty intraday levels for Monday. So here is a disclaimer, these are the levels which I am looking at, but I will update my trading levels whatever I gonna to trade and logic in the Monday session itself, because I'm expecting a gap up. So I need to watch out there, like it is retracing back to our levels, or if any new price action forms, then I will update. But as of now, I am expecting if it opens neutral or gap down, these are the levels it should take support at, and we should get some demand for the intraday. So these are my levels, Bank Nifty and Nifty. And yes, as I said, in order to get that levels, or in order to view my in order to view my analysis, you need to join our the Indus Trader Telegram channel. There I will upload everything. So hopefully this. Until then, if you are watching for only levels, then you can exit from here on. From here we're going to discuss some other aspects as well. So now let's see the previous week, which we discussed in this video. In this video we also discussed that, so let's discuss about that. If you see consumer confidence, as I said, these two events you can ignore, okay. But thereafter, if you see 4.9 is the forecast of GDP growth quarter on quarter, that is for US, but we got better GDP with, you can see here, PCE, okay. And if you see also personal income and spending, everything we got better data. Why I am saying better data? Previously we used to also say this, if we get less, then it is negative for the market. Yes, it depends upon the situation. See now, US CPI data is somewhere near, US, that is inflation is somewhere near to 3.6, I think so, if I am not wrong. But if you see expectation, okay, from 5 to or 4 to 5 to, it is reducing. When the inflation is reducing and these numbers are showing good, then that's certainly a positive number. So that's the reason, if you combine all these things, especially GDP growth, and combining all core CPE as well as personal income and personal spending, that's a positive for the US markets. And you can clearly see that in the US markets also. And coming to ISM manufacturing PMI data, I can say it's not up to mark. This is one concern, but after the speech as well, we got nothing negative, no hawkish statement. That's the reason which is reflected on the US markets as well. You can see presently everything is trading in green. And coming to our exit poll also, I am not expecting any shocking for the market, so nothing we should worry about. So now let's see the next week trading events which we need to track on. If you see core inflation rate, which is previous is 0.2, and even this time they are forecasting the same, even I am expecting the same. So it should come in line with the forecast. And coming to core inflation year on year, it's 4 and 4, that means they are expecting the unchanged, but I am expecting unchanged to the positive for the market. It should come less or unchanged. So depending upon this data, see Tuesday, depending upon this particular 4 outcomes, we will have 4 plus 1, okay, total 5 outcomes. We will have Thursday the Fed interest rate decision. So these decisions are going to be depending on this Tuesday. That's the reason, if Monday, if you are carrying any positions, not Monday, sorry, Tuesday, so make sure you keep your proper hedge or else like avoid carrying positions on Tuesday, because on Wednesday we can see that outcome. And similarly with the Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or at least if you are a beginner, I suggest you complete a week. You don't carry anything. Make sure you try opportunities and you try to find opportunities in the intraday basis only. So that's my suggestion. And if I clearly said this four events gonna to decide on this particular interest rate decision as well as press conference. See, after the decision outcome, it's not like the work is done. It's very important to attend the Fed press conference, or at least if you are not getting time, then at least after the conference you read the outcome and you see that. Okay, that's going to be very important for the next week events. So hope you like this. If any part of the video, if you are still watching, let me know in the comment section, because I want to know how many members are watching till end of the video, because in my average viewing duration it's showing something very less. So I want at least how many members are watching till the end, so that at least I need to know. So please let me know in the comment section, it's my request. And coming to FIA and DIA activity, we gonna to start next week. We are currently working on it, so hopefully we will bring that as soon as possible. And see you in the next video. Until then, this is Krishna signing off. Jai Hind.